Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Adobe XD, how to scroll left and right. So as example, I will create the rectangles in it. Okay, you can copy and paste the rectangle. Okay, I will move to the right, paste again. Okay, we create like into 5 rectangle at the same size. The next you can select these all rectangles and then you can click these icons to create horizontal scroll, and then you can move, like I will move into here the top, and you can also set for the size by clicking at these tools. If you don't, you can view this option, click at this icon to desktop view, and you can scroll to the left and also to the right. Okay, that's it for basic Adobe XD tutorial, how to scroll left and right. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.